Okay, so this is the working for example 3, 4, 7, and 8. Okay, look at example 3. The lifetime of bulbs used in a lamp are normally distributed with mean lifetime of 850. Okay, this is the value of mean. And standard deviation of 50. Okay, this one is sigma. A sample of 30, so this one is n, is selected. Construct the sampling distribution of the sample mean. Okay, so number 1. Okay, the answer is x bar has normal distribution with mu equals to 850 and variance equivalent to 50 over 30. Okay, number 2. Find the probability of x bar greater than 830. So we will convert x bar into z greater than 830 minus 850 over 50 over square root 30, and then we're gonna get z equivalent to greater than negative 2.19. Okay, so we draw the standard the bell-shaped curve, so it's negative, so this one is left side, and then your greater than negative, so the shaded region is here. So what should you do? You need to find the area, this area, okay, and then 1 minus that area. Okay, so negative 2.19 is equivalent to 2.19 here, 2.19. Okay, so this means that 1 minus 0.01426, so we will get 0.98574 squared. Okay, for example 4, the reaction time to a certain experiment is considered to be normally distributed with mean 20 seconds. This one is mu. Standard deviation 4 seconds, so this one is sigma. Random sample of 40 experiment, so this one is n. So number 1, construct the sampling distribution of the sample mean. So x bar has normal distribution with mean equivalent to 20 and variance equivalent to 4 over n is 40. Find the average reaction time who takes no longer 22 seconds. So the now probability of x bar less than 22 seconds. Okay, so z less than 22 minus 20 over 4 over square root 40. So we will have z less than 3.16. Okay, so you need to find this area. 1 minus 3.16, 3.16, 0.000, 0.00079. So we'll have 0.99921. Okay, Let's calculate to example 7. Suppose we have two normal distribution with mean and standard deviation as follow. Okay, ni silap ni bukan standard deviation. This one is variance. Sebab apa variance? Sebab tengok simbol yang dia bagi. Ada kuasa 2. So this one is value for variance. Okay, population 1, mu1 equals to 145. Sigma square 1 equals to 16. Population 2, mu2 equals to 162. And sigma square 2 equals to 21. Suppose random sample of size 36 are drawn from each population. So n1 equals to 36, n2 equals to 36. Determine the sampling distribution of x bar 1 minus x bar 2. Okay, so for number 1, x bar 1 minus x bar 2 are normally distributed with mean equivalent to mu1 minus mu2 lah. 145 minus 162. Okay, and then the variance equivalent to 16 over 36 plus 21 over 36. Okay, tak perlu consider sebab value yang dibagi tu memang variance. Okay, number 2. Find the probability that the sample mean from population to exceed the sample mean from population 1 by more than 15. So maksudnya dia nak population 2 minus population 1 greater than 15. It so means that probability of x bar 2 minus x bar 1 more than 15. Okay, so this one dia akan jadi z greater than 15 minus, okay, dia kena kata population 2 minus population 1. Okay, so population 2 162 minus 145. Maka tadi kita buat 145 minus 162 kan, sebab different between 1 and 2. Sekarang ni 2 minus 1, so 162 minus 145 equivalent to 17. Tolak 17 bahagi dengan 16 per 36 tambah 21 per 36. Okay, so we will get z greater than negative 1.97. Okay, negative is left side, negative 1.97, tapi dia nak greater. So the region is here. So you have to find this area and subtract. Okay, so the answer is 1 minus 1.97 adalah 1.97 0.0244. Okay, 1 minus 0.0244, and finally we get 0.9756. Okay, example 8. A factory produces two types of battery, long life and energy. Okay, ada dua. Long life battery have mean lifetime 850. Okay, long life mu dia adalah 850 and standard deviation sigma equals to 30. Okay, energy pula mu dia 800, sigma equals to 40. Okay, let's say 32 random sample from long life. Okay, so n1 equals to 32 and n2 40 and 2 equals to 40. Okay, so dia kata what is the probability that a random sample of 32 long life battery will have mean lifetime of at least 40 hours more than mean lifetime of random sample of 40 energy battery. Okay, so kita tulis dulu dia punya sampling distribution dia. Construct dulu x bar 1 minus x bar 2 has normal distribution with mu equals to 850 minus 800 and variance the equivalent to 30 over 32 plus 40 square over 40. Okay, so dia nak find the probability of x bar 1 minus x bar 2 at least 40 hours. Okay, long life 40 hours more than lifetime, greater or equals to 40. So this one will become z, greater or equals to 40 minus 850 minus 800, we get 50 divided by 30 square over 32 plus 40 square over 40. Don't forget to square root. So we will get z greater or equals to negative 1.21. Negative is here, 1.21, then not greater, so this one. So 1 minus 1.21 is equivalent to 1.21. 1.21 is 1.21. 0.1131. So the final answer is 0.8896.